Looking for an easy but super marketable product to add to your line? Well, if you haven't heard of foaming bath whip by now, today's the day to try it out. I'll be using Stevenson's Crystal UPC base and just 3 other ingredients to make a silky smooth whipped soap. Our version of Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast Fragrance Oil makes it perfect for the new year or anytime you want to liven up your evening routine with a feminine and fruity aroma. Cut the bath butter base into cubes before adding it to a large mixing bowl or in a stand mixer. This base is affordable, versatile, and widely available, making it a must-have if you like to make fluffy soap, scrubs, and more. Turn the mixer on low to start while you stir the fragrance and sweet almond oil together in a separate mixing bowl. To help the mica powder blend easily without sending a bunch of sparkly dust into the air, stir it into the oils. Bump the mixer up to medium speed and pour in the oil mixture. Keep whipping it until it doubles in volume and becomes a nice pastel pink color. Pause the mixer every now and then to scrape the bowl and incorporate any uncolored bits into the rest of the bath mix. I wish you could smell the fragrance through the screen right now. Our take on Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast is fun and lively with just the right touch of fruity sweetness. When you're happy with the texture, spoon it into a large piping bag fitted with a piping tip of your choice. I'm using a Russian piping tip. Pipe it into a wide mouth cosmetic jar and make sure to pause and tap it gently on the counter here and there to pack plenty of the mixture in. For a festive finish, sprinkle in plastic-free glitter on top before screwing the lids on. Our version of Champagne Toast by Bath & Body Works is the perfect complement to a fun and bubbly product like this. Use it like you would body wash by scooping some out and lathering it on your skin in the shower or tub. You can easily customize it by swapping out the oils, fragrance, and colors in the recipe to suit your brand's aesthetic, not to mention adding other goodies like exfoliants and more. Let us know if you'd like to see any more recipes using this base and comment on what your favorite fragrance of last year was. We always love your input, so feel free to reach out to us on our socials to get in contact with AFI. We'll help you on your fragrance journey through every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching Fragrance Fam, and we hope you have an amazing new year, and we'll see you again soon. Best wishes and bye for now.